Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly. Welcome back to my channel. Now today, we're going to be opening my BOXYCHARM Premium for the month of December. So let's get this open up, and I've not looked at anything at all. Not even any spoilers or anything, because I didn't realize it'd be here soon. But we have the IDAZ Dramatic Water Mask Kit. It says it provides a truly moisturizing solution for your skin to treat delicate skin which has been stressed by internal and environmental factors. And we'll look at prices at the end. Next we have the Elemis Superfood Matcha I Do. It says matcha, kiwi, and melon refreshes, brightens, and nourishes. Let's take this out of here. Open. This is something I plan on keeping. It's just this little squeezy tube of it, which is still pretty good because Elemis is expensive. Next, take out some packaging. We have the EVO Beauty, I think they're lip liners. Yeah, Creamy Lip Spo Liner. Got this 2-pack. What are the shades? Well, we have a light pink and a darker red color. Next we have the Flawless Serum by Epony, Beverly Hills. Outside's matte black, so I'm going to open this up to look inside, see what the package says. Ooh, this is a fancy package. It just says Flawless Serum. It doesn't really say what it's for, though. I'll have to look on the sheet. Next, we have the Stila Huge Extreme Mascara. But this seems interesting. I might try that. And lastly, our last item. Yeah, our last item is the Kina Antivirus Beauty Glow and Go Kit. Look summertime fresh and shine all year round with a Glow and Go Kit. Designed in a sleek, travel-friendly palette, followed by Kina's favorite shades. This kit includes everything you'll need for everyday touch-ups on the go. Let's take a look. Ooh, leathery. Let's take a look. It's actually really nice. See if you'll focus. But it looks nice. Hard to tell with my lighting, I'm sorry. But it looks like this. You got some shades in there. And it's something that I think I'll try to use myself. So let's check out the prices for these items. The Elemis Superfood Matcha I Do was $39, which is pretty good for Elemis. We know how they run a lot of the time. The Kina Antivirus Beauty Glow and Go Kit was $48. The Stila Huge Extreme Mascara was $23. The Epony Skincare Beverly Hills Epony Flawless Serum has a description. It says, a powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing the skin's surface with a protective barrier. Helps retain water in the corneous layer of the skin, or corneous, making the skin appear plump and radiant. It is $195. That's quite a bit of money. It says the new brand of Boxy. Yeah. The IDAZ Dramatic Water Fit Mask is $20. And the EVO Beauty Lip Spo Liner Duo It says it's a creamy, long-lasting color to fill. It says it's a creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line or fill the lips. The two-piece kit features velvety formula that glides on effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout with a matte finish. Named after people who inspire us. Let's see what the colors actually are named, because I plan on keeping both of these. And the names are, this darker red one is called Brooke, and this lighter shade is called Val. I'm going to swatch the lip liners so that way you can see what they look like. This is Brooke. Nice dark color. Nice dark red. Show you a little thicker line so you can see it better. But it's a nice dark red color. And Val is more of a neutral color. But that's pretty much it for this box. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time.